right here at this meet in LA. They started like 40 minutes ago, giving out some stickers to the boys here. Hell yeah. Ooh, is that for some good? Is that for some good? Jeez. You a photographer or what?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Is your guys' team right here? That's sick. What's it called? Sheesh, that's sick. That's nice. It's sick. So we're out here in LA, good vibes and everything, handing out these decals right now. I saw a car with a fresh upgrade sticker already that I haven't made in like 2 years, but it's crazy. Right now we're gonna go to the VIP section, check out the cars over there. We just gotta cross the street. About to hand out all these to all these people. Yo, look at this sick ass Corvette right here, bro. This thing is sick. This is nice. Crazy. All these things are sick. Dang, look at that C8 Corvette, Lamborghini. It's sick. This is crazy. This is a crazy wide body Supra. Let it go. Yo, we're out here. We bumped into Motive. Is that Motive Automotive? We got the Stinger, the Mustang. That's gonna be in the crew?
GTR?
GTR? Is that a GTR? It's sick. Yeah, I gotta get them street dogs. Woo!
You already know what time it is.
Yeah.
Taking out here, baby.
Hell yeah, baby. You gotta say it for the one time. Is that for some creek? We out here enjoying the LA skyscrapers, some nice cars, having a great time.
You know? If you ain't out here, man.
Hell yeah. Come on, warm up my sausage. No, no, the other one. So there's this cop in the alleyway. I don't know what he's doing. He just sirened up someone. Do that shit again.
This means the cops are here, bro.
The cop is just backing out. Yeah, you better back up. No, just kidding. Oh, he's coming.
It's over and it's time to go.
It's sick. It's sick. Alright guys, so the cops got here. I guess it wasn't a permitted location. I knew it was too good to be true that this was a permitted location. So we're about to head out. I'm gonna try to go get some pictures with Motive and let's get it. We're right here with Motive at the Shell gas station. Damn. So your vet just got state ref?
Bro. Does he have a digital license there?
No, no.
That's crazy. Yo, it said ass on the fucking...
Oh shit, he flipped it? What the fuck?
That's what it does. Yeah, bro. I was like, you can get the phone.
Yo, so we're here chilling at the gas station, right? And then we got a cop right there just waiting for us to leave to get one of us. So I don't know what we're about to do, if we're gonna go hit up a bridge or something to take some pictures, but let's find out what happens. Yo guys, so literally we passed like 3 cops that are just waiting for us. I don't know what they want, but they're just literally waiting for us to fuck up or do something bad. We're gonna go to, look, there's another cop right here. Damn. Shit is sick. What is up, guys? So today was crazy. Some people got state ref. They shut down the car meet. We were trying to find the pass to do some shoots and stuff, but we couldn't find it. Cops were hot. We were at the gas station. We left the gas station, then someone else got state ref. So I'm gonna just head home, end it at night. Thank you guys so much for supporting. We are gonna open up a shop in LA this year, guaranteed. Filling up the tank right now. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and catch you guys later. Is that official, big?